Hi there, welcome to Crypto Stake. Today we are talking about the Crypto.com token, commonly referred to as CRO by its ticker name. Is it possible to reach $1 or even $2.5 in the coming years? Let's find out. Before we get started, would you mind helping us with the YouTube algorithm? Just click on the like button below and we'll get into it. Thank you very much. Now let's get into it. Disclaimer: the information provided on this channel does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. CryptoStake does not recommend that any cryptocurrency be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Alright, let's get into it. First of all, what is CRO and where does it originate? CRO is the native token of the Crypto.com exchange, offering a payment solution that allows converting your crypto into fiat in real time. It is also used to offset the costs of transactions when trading on the exchange. Originally called Monaco, the exchange was established in 2016 by Bobby Bao, Gary Orr, Kris Marszalek, and Rafael Melo, and changed the name to Crypto.com in 2018. Crypto.com got a lot of attention in late 2021 when they bought naming rights to the famed Staples Center in Los Angeles for a record sum. The deal roughly coincided with a parabolic price increase, thus cementing the name and the token in crypto folklore. CRO's performance through 2021 was varied, but overall growth was positive. The price did seem to stagnate for much of the year, and it was only midway through the last quarter that it took off, thanks to innovative development and marketing effort. This sudden boost saw the token's value skyrocket over 350% in just over 3 weeks. A benefit to holders using the Crypto.com exchange is that they offer excellent customer support service. How does the price forecast look for CRO? Before we dive into the forecast, please be sure to like this video to help us with the YouTube algorithm by clicking the like button below. And if you would like to stay up to date with information about other cryptocurrencies, go ahead and subscribe to Crypto Stake and remember to turn on the notifications bell. Price action for CRO has moved positively and investors appreciate the returns. Additionally, the cost benefits to holders transacting on the exchange should not be forgotten. If that is anything to go by, then CRO would appear to be a solid investment with a healthy growth forecast in the coming years. Let's look at the predicted price action going forward. 2022. The price range for CRO in the short term fluctuates from a minimum of 40 cents to a maximum of 67 cents. Q1 prices average 59 cents, Q2 around 57 cents, and Q3 rises to approximately 65 cents with an expected drop to around 56 cents in Q4 of 2022. Improved investor confidence may result in the price spiking as high as 99 cents. 2023. Crypto.com has done well to create a speedy and trustworthy network, and the user experience is appealing. Provided they can maintain the rate of innovation, price action is likely to exceed $1 going into 2023. We feel confident the token will do well and might exceed expectations with a paradigm shift as the market focuses on use cases and functionality. 2024. Speculation abounds as to the price predictions for CRO and will continue to be driven by the rollout of new technology. We forecast the token to reach as much as $1.5 in 2024, making it a worthy investment for early adopters. 2025. With several initiatives aimed at education, innovation, and outreach programs, the price might rise to a resistance of $1.82 before stabilizing and preparing for the next leg up and continued healthy returns for investors. 2026. We expect the trend of technological and innovative excellence to continue well into 2026, possibly driving prices as high as $2.1. What do experts say? We tapped into some of our favorite crypto experts to get an idea of how they feel CRO looks set to perform. While varying slightly, expert opinion on CRO and its short to long-term future, the consensus seems to be bullish. For the remainder of 2022, Market Realist sees the price of CRO appreciate steadily throughout the year. They expect it to climb to about 77 cents by the end of the year. Trading Beasts suggests that their short-term prediction for CRO prices is at just under $1 by the end of the year and increasing to $2.1 over the next 5 years. According to Gove Capital, CRO is currently in a consolidation phase after the recent price crash. They feel investors will accumulate with a view to its investment potential over the long term. Conclusion: Our analysis suggests that over the long term, price growth for CRO sees it reaching up to as much as $2.1 over 5 years, representing an approximate growth of 320% by late 2026. With its strong fundamentals, aggressive marketing strategy, and a good track record of innovative technology, CRO has all the ingredients to continue being a good investment and trading option. While it is presently only available on the Crypto.com exchange and other smaller exchanges such as Bittrex, KuCoin, and Huobi Global, its overall performance gives it a good chance of being listed on the bigger crypto exchanges. All in all, there are many good reasons to purchase CRO while it is still reasonably priced and holds good support levels. CRO is not the only coin whose future we are looking into as we explore cryptocurrency. Decentraland's Mana token is another one that you might find interesting, especially with the hype about the metaverse. You can check our price prediction for them as well, follow the signs, and see you there.